You determine the length of the tube right at the beginning. Please remember that the minimum dimensions need to be taken into account when determining the tube length. For more information, please refer to the assembly instructions or the respective operating instructions of the pre-assembly device. Saw the tube at a right angle. Attention, do not use a tube cutter or angle grinder. Then the tube is slightly deburred inside and outside. An angular tolerance of plus or minus 1 degree is permissible. Please note that tubes cut crooked or deburred incorrectly will reduce the lifespan and tightness of the coupling. Use reinforcing sleeves on thin-walled steel tubes or soft tubes made of non-ferrous metals. Now clean the tube. There may be no visible damage to the ends of the tube, inside or outside, nor may there be any chips, dirt, rust, or any other soiling. Please select a suitable cleaning solution for the respective application.